It's no secret, buying a vehicle is a big investment. Whether you're financing your dream car, purchasing your daily driver with cash, or something in between, we understand how important it is to protect that investment. That's why Driveway offers several care and protection plans to help safeguard your finances. From regular oil changes to unexpected breakdowns and bumps in the road, our plans are the smart and affordable way to keep your car in tip-top shape. Driveway is auto-done your way, which means you pick the protection that works best for your life and your budget. So hop in the driver's seat while we take a look at how Driveway's care and protection plans can keep you cruising off into the sunset and beyond for many miles to come. Keep your pistons purring and your engine performing for as long as you own your car, and save cash over time with Driveway's Lifetime Oil Plan. It includes 2 oil and filter changes per year. This cost-effective plan pays for itself. Our vehicle repair coverage takes care of those unforeseen repair and labor costs, providing you with financial peace of mind and protecting your investment. It also provides emergency roadside assistance and reimburses you for a rental car and emergency travel expenses. Talk about a smart way to keep breakdowns from breaking the bank. No matter where your new vehicle will take you, wheel and tire damage can happen. From scratched rims to blown tires, we've got you covered where the rubber meets the road with Driveway's Tire and Wheel Repair Plan. It even includes 24/7 nationwide roadside assistance. Sometimes known as gap insurance, vehicle loss protection safeguards your wallet in those worst-case scenario moments. It'll pay off the remainder of your loan in the unhappy event of a major accident or if your vehicle is stolen. So what do you think? Ready to commit to a bright future with your new ride? How about a healthy dose of peace of mind for yourself and your finances? Learn more about Driveway's care and protection plans on each vehicle's detail page. Availability and price can vary based on your location and the vehicle you choose, so be sure to enter your zip code for the most accurate information. The Driveway team is here to help when you're ready to invest in a bright future and peace of mind with your new vehicle. Drop us a line anytime.